Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy KittenPrime, and guess what? I finally found him, my boy Desma here in arenas. But let me tell you, next time it is raids. That's for sure, that's for sure. Now, let's see. This is what I'll do, I'll fight him like this. Let's do this. Sadly, this isn't his best team, so hopefully next time I can see that full forge almost. OG Prime, Ironhide. Now we got rank 4 MV1. My boy's doing good, but soon I'll be up there as well with my rank 4 Megatron or Soundwave coming soon. Okay, let's go. Mixmaster. Poor guy got him duped. That's sad. I think he's like at signature level 10 as well. I know he used to get Mixmaster always, but now he's getting better pulls. We've got MV1 now next up. My boy is getting Megatron, Bone Crusher. Gonna go all the good ones, yeah? There we go. It's a flawless victory. Get Shrek'd. Ah, boom! Big Shack! Hold tight, Asni! Grutnun! Okay, so now we've got, I think it's Waspinator now. Yeah, it's Waspinator we've got to fight now, so just kick his balls in, split him in half. And then we got Rhinox, who he's all proud about. But Rhinox isn't good. Rhinox is bollocks. I keep telling him, Rhinox is bad, mate. Don't put Rhinox on your base defense, because I'm just gonna breach right through it. You watch when I go raid his base. Keep Rhinox in there. Oh yeah, I got Rhinox, mate. I'm good. Rhinox is good. No, he's not. He's crap. He's absolute bollocks. Cock and bollocks. People who like playing with Rhinox, guess what? I'll take you all on. Let's just kill him. Absolutely fragile, but really high damage output Waspinator has. My boy Barricades 976 took him to rank 3. At first I was like, what the hell are you doing, mate? But then I saw Waspinator do a 4000 critical hit on a special 2. That's not rank 3, that's a rank 2. So yeah, now I'm with Barricade on that rank 3. It's pretty good. Waspinator ain't that bad, just really fragile. But Soundwave is always superior, best bot in the game. So let's kill Rhinox, who was not a good bot whatsoever. Leads aren't bad, but he's still crap. Can't believe he took him to rank 3 though. Come on, don't take Rhinox to rank 3. Okay, just use that special 2. Gonna get hit with the shock there. Shock's like the only good thing about Rhinox. And bleed's not bad if you have the deep wounds mastery. Oh, you cheeky little bastard getting the shield right when I was about to kill you. Dead anyways. But everything else about Rhinox is rubbish. Very low attack in my opinion. But there's my boy Desma down. Found him in arenas. Next time it's raids. I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. It's your boy KittenPrime, and peace out, yeah?